In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect QuickBooks Online to Airtable using Zapier. This process will help you streamline your workflow by automating tasks between these two powerful platforms, saving you time and effort. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zapier homepage. If you're not familiar with Zapier, it's a tool that allows you to connect different apps and automate tasks between them, which is incredibly useful for creating seamless workflows. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, the next step is to click on the Create button. This is where you'll start building your Zap, which is Zapier's term for the automated workflows you'll be creating. After clicking Create, you'll be directed to an interface where you can see a Zaps option. Click on Zaps and this will bring you to a new screen where you can start setting up the details of your automation. The first part of creating a Zap is setting up a trigger. A trigger is an event that starts your Zap. Click on Trigger to begin defining what this starting event will be. Next, you'll need to select Airtable as the trigger app. By clicking on Airtable, you're telling Zapier that you want to start your automation when something specific happens in Airtable. For instance, this could be when a new record is created or updated. Once you've selected Airtable, you'll have to specify the exact trigger event you'd like to use, which is essential for ensuring your automation runs precisely when you need it to. Now that you've set up your trigger, it's time to move on to the action part of your Zap. Click on Action to continue. An action is what Zapier will do automatically when the trigger event occurs. In this case, you'll be connecting it to QuickBooks Online. So click on QuickBooks Online to set it as the Action app. This step is where you define what task you want QuickBooks to perform automatically, such as creating a new invoice or updating customer information. Remember, while setting up your Zap, you may need to authorize Zapier to access both Airtable and QuickBooks Online. This usually involves logging into each service through Zapier to grant the necessary permissions. It's a straightforward process, but crucial for enabling seamless communication between the apps. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully connected QuickBooks Online to Airtable using Zapier. This connection will help automate data transfer between the two, allowing you to focus on more important tasks. Feel free to explore other ways Zapier can enhance your productivity by connecting more apps and creating additional Zaps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.